Arezzo, Italy to Rome. This is on the way to Rome. Yes, we're leaving Arezzo and it is actually by the highway. It's so beautiful, right? Look at the highway. Sinasamantalang makuha ng picture kasi may araw pa. Later, lulubog na ang araw, hindi na natin makikita yung magagandang view na yan. Look, may castle pa. It's really beautiful here in Italy. Ayan kasi may mga mountains sila. Not like in the Netherlands, flat country. But in Netherlands is beautiful too. Very beautiful. But look here in Italy, may mga sa gitna ng bundok. Look over there sa a town. Parang Arezzo, nasa gitna siya ng mountains, yung parang heli mountains nila. O, diba? Ayun, may village na naman doon sa may mountain na yun. Ang sarap puntahan yung mga nakikita mong ganyan. Next time na lang. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, road trip from Arezzo to Rome. Ayan, also in the left side, as you see, it's beautiful here. Thank you, Lord, to see these beautiful places.